Hey foodie fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Funke and today we're making Afang Soup, the one that slaps every single time. If you've never tried it, don't worry, by the end of this video you will know exactly how to make it like a pro. Okay, let's talk about ingredients because Afang doesn't joke with flavor. You're going to start by adding your meat into a pot, season with salt and bouillon. Cover and allow to cook for a few minutes. Stir this together properly to combine, then cover and allow to cook till tender. Once it's a bit tender, you're going to add palm oil. Afang soup cooking process is also similar to Edikaikong cooking process, just that in Afang you need more water. If you are yet to watch my Edikaikong, I have it on my channel, please watch it. You need just a little water in the pot because Waterleaf is going to bring out water anyway. For the next step, you're going to add chopped Waterleaf. One of the secrets to a delicious Afang soup is chopping your Waterleaf into tiny bits. You want it extra tiny, so if you can do that, please make sure your Waterleaves are tiny. You're going to add more crayfish powder and then you're going to cover and allow to simmer until the water is released and the Waterleaf is softened. Just give it a few minutes to simmer. You can see how the soup is already coming together with that vibrant color. And now it's time to add Okazi leaf, also known as Afang leaf. You can either pound this or you can grind in the market. I don't really know about blending in a blender. You're going to add some smoked fish, crayfish powder and more palm oil. Then you're going to adjust the taste and add more salt if needed or bouillon if needed. Cover this again and allow to simmer on low heat for a few minutes. Then stir together thoroughly to combine. Lastly, we're going to be adding periwinkles if you're using, then add more palm oil. See, there's no need for you to be shameful of the amount of palm oil you're adding into your Afang soup. Add more crayfish powder as well. Then stir this all together and allow all the ingredients to hug each other. Then you're going to cover this and allow it to simmer for just a minute or two. You guys, just look at this beauty. It's rich, it's flavorful and packed with goodness. Afang soup is giving luxury in a pot. This is not just food though, it's an experience. Serve this with pounded yam, semo, fufu or whatever swallow you like. Just make sure you clear your plate. Anyway, we're getting to the end of today's video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment telling me what Nigerian soup you want next, and of course, hit that subscribe button and join the foodie fam. Thank you for watching today's video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.